Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to check you into the building.
Okay. Sure.
I see your name, please. Are you recording?
I am recording, ma'am.
I don't believe you can have recording at the library. Are you already signed in, young lady? Okay. What's
So
your name?
I have to give my
Okay.
I have to give my name to enter a library.
Yes, everyone has to sign in here because we have a number of people that are allowed in each department of the library.
Okay. Well, you could put good citizen.
Okay, you don't want to give your name?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
I do
so
not.
If you don't want to give your name to enter, you cannot enter. Everyone
Where-
checks in with their name.
Well, I'm telling you, you can put good citizen down.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you our policy. Can you, if you want to take a moment, can you step aside so I can help this young lady behind you,
I'll
please?
step over here. Sure.
You can step this way, sir.
Hey, you can step that way.
Yes, you can
Sir?
step this way.
Excuse me.
Would you mind stepping that way while we help this person?
He's also recording and he doesn't want to give his
Huh?
name to enter.
What's your name?
What's your name?
I asked you.
sorry.
What's your name?
What do you need my name for?
I don't know who you are. You're just a random guy coming up
Right,
to
but
me.
you need to check in. You want to check in?
I told her
What?
she could use good citizen as my name. I'm not gonna get. Why do I have to give my name to enter a library?
All right. Well, you can talk to the director. I'm not going to do this.
Fantastic. Okay, great.
2 hours.
We're just asking your name to check in under, these are our procedures right now.
I understand that, ma'am, and I just don't want to give my name.
Okay,
I
then
don't see
you're
it.
welcome to not use the library, but that's what we're
Okay.
asking. We're
This
not
is a
asking-
public library,
It is a public library, and right now,
so
these are the board.
I can use a public library because I'm a member of the public. I pay
Yes.
taxes.
And right now, under the conditions that we're living under right now, we're asking for everybody's name simply so that we can keep track of occupancy levels in the building to keep everybody.
Well, what was your name? I'm
Liz
sorry,
Burns.
Liz Burns.
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
just if you could explain to me, how does my name
So that we can-
assist you
so that
into?
we can identify you. We have a 2-hour maximum visit time right now.
Okay.
So that we just can keep track of who's in the building, so that when your time is up, we can come over to you and ask
Okay.
you to kindly leave.
Okay, well, so I gave my name. You can call me good citizen, and you can refer to me as that. Are you going to check my ID as well, or?
No, sir, we're not checking your ID, and we're not trying to do this to be difficult. We're just trying to keep everybody
Me either.
safe.
I understand. I just don't see how my name
What are you
keeps
looking
everybody
to do
safe.
here in the library? What department are you looking to go into?
I'm just looking to go into the public library. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, do you have a library card with us?
I'm not going to answer any questions. I just want to go into the public library. You think it's funny? Okay.
Weird situation.
Okay. It's weird to you.
No.
To you.
Protocol.
Hold on, it's just a protocol. It's just a protocol.
I understand. But this is you can't bar people from a public
Mr.
library, ma'am.
Citizen, please give Tony your name. If your name is Good Citizen, then we will call you
I
Mr.
gave it to her
Citizen.
already.
That's fine, then we will take your
I
name
just
as
didn't
Mr.
ask you
Citizen.
the full information.
Thank you. So what other information do you need from me?
What part of the library you were going to go into today, so we can keep track of occupancy.
I'm going to go to all parts of the library here.
Okay, well,
all
which
parts of
part are you
them.
going to go to first? This is something we ask of everybody.
Where do you have videos? Where do you have not videos? Excuse me. Where do you have books on the Constitution?
That would be downstairs and non-fiction.
So that's where I'm going to go. That's where I'm going to go first. Okay. Thank you.
So your time is
Nice to see you, Mr. Citizen.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Okay.
Just like
Thank-
everybody else. Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you.
Please
Thank
don't
you.
put that in my face.
I'm not putting it in your
Please,
face.
back up.
Yeah, no
I'm
one
not-
here is giving you
Back up.
permission to.
I'm
Are
not
you
giving you permission to
videotaping
record me,
us,
so
sir?
record that.
I am
We're not
recording.
giving you permission to videotape, okay?
I don't, ma'am. Can I explain
I
it?
have a library policy that indicates if you'd like to videotape us, you have to ask us permission, okay,
Okay,
sir?
ma'am.
Can you please turn that off?
Ma'am, can we have a dialogue here and a
Can we
conversation?
step outside?
Yeah,
Let's
let's
three
go
step
outside.
outside. Let's
Come
go.
on.
I'm not going to go
I
outside.
mean, we're just trying to.
I'm not going to go outside, sir. I'm not going to go outside.
There's people that are trying to.
I don't know why I could just walk around the library peacefully.
No,
You're making a
cannot.
scene.
You cannot record. This is a public building. We have policies
You
here.
just-
You
I understand
cannot
that.
record people without our permission. You can record the building. You cannot record my staff or other patrons. in
I
the
sure
library.
can.
And I am not giving. No, you cannot.
I sure can, ma'am.
No.
I'm sorry that you feel I can't, but I sure
Then
can.
I'm going to call the police.
So you can do whatever you need to do.
You want to step outside so we?
No, I'm good, man. I'm going to stay right here.
All right,
I'm going to stay right here. Thanks.
bro. Go over there with that.
Why don't you walk away from me?
You gotta step outside, bro. With this camera, turn your camera off.
I'm not turning my camera off. I got 2 of them, so
That's fine.
I'm not turning them off. Joe, you gotta calm down, okay, man?
Listen,
You gotta calm down.
that's not even my name, bro.
Excuse me?
It's not even my name.
She called you Joe.
She's not talking to me.
You gotta calm down, right, man?
I'm calm, bro.
Okay, just calm down. It's not that serious.
It's not that serious. You're recording. Get on my face with that.
So leave. So go
I
somewhere.
work here.
So that's fine. You work in a public building, sir.
Right, but she's trying to talk. You want to have a conversation? We can have it outside. We're not gonna have it right here.
I don't need to have a conversation with any of you.
Listen, bro. Let's just stop.
You can stop whenever you like.
I am. Listen.
Sir, you can't go any further, just like he said, and there's people in here that are trying to do this.
I know, so you guys should keep the volume down.
Bro, listen. I don't know what your angle is.
And he's not allowed to give patients while they're in the library.
And the director seems to be calling the local police department on me for being in a public library, exercising my First Amendment right
You can't
to
be on
film
your
in
phone
public.
the library.
Excuse me?
You can't be on your phone in the library.
For somebody who doesn't want to be on the camera, you sure keep coming up to the
This is my
camera a
job,
lot.
bro. This is my job. You want to record that? This is my job.
Okay.
You cannot be on your phone in the library. That's the policy. You want some printout of the rules and regulations?
No, I
Just
could
talk about the rules.
I could print you out the United States Constitution if you'd
You
like.
can print me out anything.
I could. It's a public library. I'm sure I could use a
We'll
printer
find out in
here.
a second, but
Okay.
you can't be on your phone in the
We
library.
will find out in a second.
Alright.
Maybe you'll learn something today.
Right, look, you're definitely gonna learn something.
Okay, we'll see who learns.
You will.
First library I've ever been into that you have to give your name, where you're going in the library.
You're not supposed to have your phone in here.
So we can't film in the library, but they have cameras here. Doesn't make sense.
May I ask why you're filming?
Ma'am, you already called the police on me, so if you wanted to have a proper
Ask why you're filming?
if you wanted to have a proper conversation with me, you shouldn't have called police on me.
Well, I'm sorry. You should have abided by.
I would have
regulations.
explained. Your regulations doesn't trump the U.S. Constitution, ma'am. And you're going to learn that today.
Sir, this is a.
I don't look. You have video cameras everywhere here, ma'am. So your
I do,
video.
and nobody looks at that videotape except me. Just like
If I
you
wanted,
could ask
if I
me.
wanted to look at it, I could.
No, you could not. No,
This
you
is a
couldn't.
this is a public library.
Yes, and you.
So that means that's public record. You need to keep your voice down,
Now
man.
you're causing a disturbance.
No, I'm not.
You're causing a disturbance.
You're causing
You're
disturbance.
causing a disturbance.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Well, can I ask why you haven't followed the library's requirements and what they're doing?
What do you mean?
They because of attestations and things like that with the COVID, they're trying to keep track of numbers.
I gave them a name to use.
You did give them a name, okay?
correct.
Did they tell you about their recording policy that they asked you to leave without or to stop recording?
Okay. Well, I want to explain. What's your
Can
name
you
first?
just let me know, Officer Lubold. Can you let me know why you're here?
Okay. What's
Okay.
how you
Officer
spell?
Lubold.
Lubold.
Correct.
Okay. Badge 260.
Correct.
Great. I'm here today because that policy does not trump our constitutional right to film in public and publicly accessible areas. So I would appreciate it if you honored your oath to the Constitution and allowed me to go back peacefully on my way.
Go back where?
Wherever I want, because this is America.
Is there a reason why you feel the need to film in here today?
Yes, there's a reason.
Okay, you want to explain that?
No, I don't want to explain it.
Why not?
Because it's protected by the First Amendment, I'll tell you that.
Okay, I'm asking if you would like to explain why you feel the need to be filming in the library.
I'm going to say I'm conducting a First Amendment protected activity, and that's all I'm going to say about it. What's your name, sir?
Officer Cummings.
Cummings?
Yes.
And your badge number? I can't see from down here.
Badge number 270.
270. Okay, great.
I'm just going to review their policy.
Yeah, that's no problem. You can review it.
Are you here by yourself?
I'm not going to answer that. Thank you.
In terms of
He's supposed to ask questions. Our policy indicates that he
Hey, sir, just to help you out, there's cameras everywhere in here.
Those are security cameras. They're completely unrelated to filming like this.
It's filming.
People have their privacy violated, and he has no right to videotape people in this building. He can be videotaping what they're looking at, he can be videotaping what they're reading. This is completely against, this is violating their privacy here. And
So,
How do you have privacy in public?
this is a public access
I can
building.
contact, if you want me to contact our attorney, I'd be happy.
Well, let's listen to the law enforcement officer.
Right now, you're in violation of our.
Let's listen to the law enforcement officer, ma'am. I don't know why you're getting upset.
Able to further have this conversation outside, just so let's get some clarity on it. For
Yeah,
all people.
I'm not gonna go outside now.
There are other patrons that are inside
I
the library.
know. So
right
let's
now.
keep our voices down.
Sir, did you come in here specifically to try to have some type of engagement?
Ma'am, I can't force grown adults to act in a way that is not becoming of them. I've been very professional.
No, I
I'm very,
that, but
I'm
I
trying
also-
to de-escalate the situation because she seems to not understand that I have a right to be here and I have a right to film. Whatever that paper that you have says is irrelevant. It's irrelevant.
Well, we'll get down to the bottom.
Okay, great.
If you don't mind just standing up here with me, we'd be very much to find out what it is, okay?
I'm gonna polite.
While we figure out exactly the particulars,
I'm
I'm
gonna.
a lawful law enforcement officer.
I understand that.
asking you to just stay here for me.
And I
while we
understand.
Figure out exactly what's going on.
I understand that, ma'am. I understand you're a lawful officer, but am I being detained?
Right now, we're trying to figure out
So
exactly the policies.
I'm gonna. So since I'm not being detained, I'm going to politely refuse your request to stay with you, ma'am.
I'm telling you that you're not being detained for any reason other than we need to figure out the policy, we need to figure out the exact law.
So am I
with
being
you on
detained?
the Constitution.
I hope so. You took an oath to it, ma'am.
I know, I did.
Okay.
I did.
I hope so.
Okay, so just let us get through this and be this gentleman that you're being and just hang tight with me until we figure this out. We have a sergeant coming.
Good.
Okay.
Good. Maybe he can clarify things.
Sir, are you comfortable with the videotape?
I don't want to videotape.
Okay, can you, sir? His constitutional rights are, right now, he does not want to be videotaped, so please don't videotape him.
Number one, ma'am, I wasn't videotaping him.
We don't know that, sir.
Number two, he has no expectation of privacy in public. Thank you. One, two, three, four. 4 police officers.
Other patrons that are not having permission to do that. He does not want to leave. This is the library's policy about filming inside.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Sergeant Jones.
Sergeant Jones.
Yep. Shield 255.
255. Thank you, Sergeant. And your name, sir?
Officer Casso, should be 63.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, if you could try to keep other patrons off the camera. Just if you could try.
I understand.
They have the right not to be filmed, especially when they're under the assumption in the library that no filming will go on without direct permission and consent from the library. So you can keep it on us.
Unfortunately, officer, they have no expectation of privacy in a public setting. This is a public building.
Do you know what the library's policy is on?
I do not know the library's policy, but what I will say, Sergeant, is that I know what rights are granted to me by the First Amendment, and I'm performing a First Amendment protected activity here today. I'm not. Policy.
Do you want to read the policy?
No, because it's honestly, because it's irrelevant, because policy does not trump the Constitution of the United States. Anybody can write a policy, but that's not going to beat out our rights. It doesn't override the rights given to us by the United States Constitution.
And so what if some right do you think you have to be in the library that has an explicit
First
right?
Amendment. I don't know if you're First Amendment.
I hear that, but elaborate on why this building you feel like is
Because it's public. It's accessible to the public. And that's it. I mean, it's a public building, so I have the right to film a public building. Just like, look, this gentleman right here, he has a complete right, to film me and take pictures and do whatever he wants. I'm in public.
Okay.
If I go to your home, it's different because that's your private residence.
Well, they do policies, so we're just gonna look through their policies and.
Okay. Well, just policy. Like I said before, I didn't even speak to you. I didn't even speak to you, sir. I didn't speak to you. You too, sir.
So then I was fine, and then I noticed you were filming it, and that's where I can't have them filming patrons here in the library, and one of my staff has given them permission to do.
So, Mr. American Citizen, this is their.
Good citizen.
Mr. American Good Citizen?
Good citizen.
Good citizen.
There you go.
This is their policy? Okay.
I can see it.
Do you want to take a look at it?
No, thank you.
Okay. So you are going against the library's policy?
And again, Sergeant, I would just make clear to you, just so you understand, maybe you can get a lieutenant or something, just to make sure, because I know what I'm talking about, and I know that policy does not.
Have it? You have it in writing? Or put it out?
Do you have a copy of the Constitution here, ma'am?
I'm sure I can get you one.
Okay, so you can hand that to the sergeant, and she can look it over. And you took an oath. You took an oath to the Constitution, ma'am.
Do you know what section it is in?
It's the First Amendment of the Bill of Rights.
So let's print it out, let's read it. And the
That's fine. I mean, you can read it whatever you want.
The library is entitled to have their own policies and procedures.
I'm sure they can have their own policies and procedures. Yes, I'm sure they are. But I'm not. They can't trump a United States Constitution. Okay. It's not bigger than the Constitution. The Constitution gives me the right to be here and film.
Okay.
That just makes it easy. It sounds like he doesn't have to explain. Right, he doesn't know what he's doing. And this probably was okay for him to do because this is pretty easy. But to go to the next step, what he's missing. That will take care of that. You don't have to worry about giving another one. Wait, I'm telling him what to do.
No, back up, bro. Back up. Listen, stop walking up on me.
I'm not. You
Stop
walked up
walking
here.
up on me.
You walked up here.
Stop walking up on me.
Correct. Okay. All right, okay. You're all set, ladies. Thank you. Yeah. Hello. How are you?
And just go through. Otherwise, he's just gonna leave it. I'll let it right after. He won't leave. Here he is. Yeah, here he is. Just let him videotape. How's your name? All right. And what do I do if patrons complain about the video? They don't want.
You inform them that they're in a public space.
I'm not speaking to you.
I'm speaking to you, ma'am. I don't know why everybody has to be so nasty around here.
Because unfortunately, you're coming here attempting to kind of provoke. I understand what you think you might be doing, but
Okay, so let me explain it to you.
They do have policy.
Okay.
Please
No, I'm gonna
elaborate.
explain it to you. So if you don't, our rights are like a muscle, right?
I understand.
So if you don't flex it and you don't work it out, it's gonna get weak, right?
What is?
So I have the right to be here and film.
So you came here intentionally to just try to
I came
go
here to
against a known policy of the library.
I could care less, man, what the policy is here. I didn't even read it. But what I'm telling you is I'm here to exercise my First Amendment right to film in public and publicly accessible areas. That's all I can say.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
All right.
You have a great day.
Citizen.
Thank you.
Bye.
told you you're going to get educated today.
I'm good. I'm very educated. You're gonna get educated.
Okay?
Told you.
Yes, right there. Thank you, Casey. Thank you.
The nasty library director. Very, very rude. I hope you learned something here today, ma'am. For the future. We're going to stay here for a little while longer. She is causing a disturbance, telling everybody on videotaping like I have something to be, like they have something to be worried about.
Apparently we have no rights to our privacy.
She said apparently we have no rights to our privacy here. You're in a public building. She doesn't understand she's in a public building. And she's the director here. Amazing. This is why I do what I do. Free education handed out to our public officials.
My talent show.
It was nice meeting you, ma'am. You have a great day, okay? I'm glad you got educated. Have a nice day.